Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel Science Quickly. In today's video, we will be talking about number of orbits in the periodic table. If you have not watched my previous videos, please click on the above link. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos on science. Now let us start with orbits. We all know what is an atom. An atom has a nucleus in the center. The nucleus has the protons and the neutrons, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in an imaginary path. We call it as an orbit. Now, an atom can have 1, 2, 3, 4 different number of orbits, okay, depending on the atomic number. So now let's see how the number of orbits changes in a periodic table moving down the group or across the period. So let's take a look at our periodic table. Let's look at period 1. Okay, if we start looking at period 1, the first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. It only has one orbit. Okay, so it has one orbit. It has one electron in the first orbit. Lithium atomic number is 3. Okay, atomic number is 3. So again, lithium will have first orbit with 2 electrons and the second orbit will with 1 electron. Sodium atomic number is 11. So sodium has 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit, and 1 electron in the third orbit. The last one over here we are going to talk about is potassium. Atomic number is 19. So potassium has first orbit with 2 electrons, second orbit with 8 electrons, third orbit with 8 electrons, and fourth orbit with 1 electron. So if you can see, first period 1 has 1 orbit, period 2 has 2 orbits, period 3 has 3 orbits, period 4 has 4 orbits. Okay. So basically what we are saying is when you are moving down the group, okay, if you are moving down the group, the number of orbits keep on increasing. Now let's see what happens when you are moving across the period. Let's just use an example of period 3. Atomic, we already figured out sodium has, this is sodium, 2, 8, and 1. So it has 3 orbits. Now let's talk about magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. So first orbit will have 2, second orbit will have 8, and third orbit will have 2 electrons. Let's talk about aluminum. Aluminum atomic number is 13. So again, first orbit will have 2 electrons, second orbit will have 8 electrons, and third orbit will have 3 electrons. Let's look at the last one, which is chlorine on the other hand. Again, atomic number of chlorine is 17. So first orbit of chlorine will have 2 electrons, second orbit will have 8 electrons, third orbit will have 7 electrons. Again, third orbit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 electrons. So as you can see, sodium has 3 orbits, magnesium has 3 orbits, aluminum has 3 orbits, and chlorine has 3 orbits. So when you are moving across the period from left to right, when you are moving across the period, the number of orbits or the number of shells remain constant. When you are moving down the group, the number of orbits will keep on increasing. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for more videos on science and see you in the next video.